Today in Just Travel, our journey is towards Seethanadi Nature Camp situated about 18 kilometers from Agumbe at Hebri. This camp is also situated about 40 kilometers from Udupi. Seethanadi Nature Camp in Hebri is certainly an escape maddening rush of daily life. Amidst refreshing greenery, this lovely camp takes you away from furor of cities. One should head here for hassle-free vacation. This nature camp is situated inside Someshwara Wildlife Sanctuary. The check-in time is 1 p.m. and check-out time is 10:30 a.m. next day. Once the guest checks in, lunch buffet is organized at 1:30 p.m. and coracle ride at 4:30 p.m. Few bird sightings are also possible in this ride. At 6:30 p.m., tea, snacks are organized and dinner is at 9:30 p.m. Food quality is really excellent at this camp. Next day at 7:30 a.m., trekking can be done in the forest area to explore birds and nature. Few sightings are also possible during the trek. At 8:30 a.m., breakfast buffet is organized. There are 4 types of rooms. Tented cottages, which is very well maintained. Wooden non-AC cottages. Wooden AC cottages. And 10-bed dormitory for large groups. Kitchen is very neat and food quality is very close to homemade preparation. Staff is very courteous and friendly. There is ample parking space and children play area is also available in this camp. One should really visit this camp to unwind from tension and relax amidst nature.